And I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is Lance, and I am in a new spot, working on new stuff. I've been kind of busy trying to get everything up to speed, but I have been busy on cars. The things I've been working on have been kind of different. What I mean by different is that this is a 1952 Chevy Suburban. Real sick car. Real solid, nice sounding, nice truck. It's got the it's got all the nice two-tone. It's got chrome, real nice. It's got a little tough aftermarket radio in here. So he's got an AM/FM radio here with Bluetooth that works through. That has a knob here. It has bass and treble connections on here. And I was tasked to upgrade the audio. And what I mean by upgrade is basically just put the radio in and then sound deaden the rear door, the floors, and then also do some speakers in the kick panel. So what we did is, like I said, we put the radio in, the customer provided with some simple mounts, and then we basically added a phone mount for him here with some USB connectors at the bottom. We ran everything under there, so you can see all the wiring right now, but this car is going straight to upholstery after me. So they still got to wrap up this piece and put the glove back on and get that all squared away and get the door panels done. But I basically have the speakers mounted flush back there. He doesn't want to see them, so when it goes to upholstery, they're going to wrap that up. And then we also did sound deadening in the rear back here. So we basically made those custom panels back there, and those literally are done pretty interesting. So we ran all the wire through the headliner of this vehicle. So we ran all the wiring through the headliner, back up to the top, back through here, back down here, and down into the door itself. He's gonna source some metal brackets like this one here. This one here is ran through here, but he's gonna source these brackets again so they'll match. We put nutserts and hardwire some Hertz speakers in here, and this is going to be behind the panel. So there's a panel that goes here, so you're not going to see any of this stuff literally. So that's all going to upholstery, and then you can also see the covers made for this for the upholstery. And this system's pretty basic. It's not really crazy. So in essence, it has the speaker that was provided that he gave me on the radio, because the radio and the speaker are attached together. And with them being attached together, you're pretty much limited to what they do. So you really can't baffle it, you really can't do much with it. So that's why we put the 5 1/4 in the kick panels, and then basically made it sound really good with that. And then he decided to add the rear speakers, so we had to make that on a CNC and then mount it in there and then run everything. But everything's on quick disconnects, and you can take it apart. We also elected to do a Kenwood 4-channel amp running the system itself, and that wiring is under here. You can see my light here. Get some light on it. So we got a movable panel, because like it says going to carpet, it's going to upholstery. So this panel itself is made out of ABS. It comes right out. It's bolted to the floor with the actual factory bolts there. So literally, once you take the seat out, this panel can come right out. There's nothing else holding it other than the fact that it's bolted in on top, on the seats on top of it. So you got the Kenwood amp 4-channel there, and you got the custom, the Alpine powered sub here, and he's pretty dialed in. It sounds really good, and I'm pretty happy with everything, the way it turned out. The customer should be able to pick it up in the next couple days, and should sound really good for him. He actually liked it. He's, like I said, he just added the rear speakers after the fact and the phone mount. So everything's ready to go. Customer can pick it up. You'll be seeing some new videos from me in a new location. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.